Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this segment, we'll walk through the steps necessary to change the closure system of your Thermomix TM5. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged and completely cool. To start, remove the bowl from the base unit. This will give you clear access to the lid mechanism. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, locate and carefully unscrew the 3 screws that secure the lid to the main body. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, they are essential for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lid off. You may notice some residue or buildup around the closure area. Use the soft cloth to clean this thoroughly, as a clean surface is crucial for the new closure to function properly. Now, let's take a look at the new closure system. Align it with the lid, ensuring that all components fit snugly. If you find yourself in need of assistance or don't have the proper tools at hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can help identify any issues without you having to commit immediately to repairs. After aligning the new closure, secure it in place by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the lid. Next, let's address the internal mechanism. If you notice any wear or tear, now is the ideal time to replace those components as well. A well-functioning internal mechanism is vital for the overall performance of your Thermomix. If you're unsure about this process, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Once everything is secured, put the bowl back into the base unit and test the closure system by gently pressing down on the lid to ensure it seals properly. If everything functions as expected, you can plug in your Thermomix and start cooking. Remember, before you proceed with any repairs, it's always wise to get a quote before repair. This will help you make an informed decision and avoid unexpected costs. In summary, changing the closure system on your Thermomix TM5 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a little patience, you can enhance the functionality of your kitchen appliance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.